Let's learn how to add training records with Simple WorkSafe. First, we'll add our training courses or each of the training programs we run for workers. From the home page, select Training Courses from the Training menu. This will be blank until you create your training courses. Once done, this is where you'll see a list of all the training courses records you have created. You can access the details of any training course from this list. See how to do this in the training overview video. Press the plus icon to the bottom right to create a new training course. A new training course view will open. Enter all the information. Fields with an asterisk are required and cannot be blank. Enter the training name. Now select the type of training this is from the list. Select the teaching method. If the method is on-demand downloaded content, another field will appear where you can upload the course content in any digital format, such as PDF file, Word document, video, or audio. If the course content is on-demand online content, another field will open where you can enter a link to the online content. You can also choose one-on-one for courses that are taught person to person, or schedule classes where the course is taught in the class environment. Enter a summary of what the course is about. Check the box if the course is compulsory, for example an induction or orientation. Enter the duration of the course in hours. Enter how many months until a revision of this course is required. When a revision is due, a reminder will appear in the Reminders section. See the Reminders help video to learn about reminders. Check the box if this course has an exam associated with it. If there is an exam, another two fields will appear. Enter the pass mark required for the exam and a link to the online exam if there is one. Enter the name of the person responsible for creating this course. Enter any notes relating to this course. Press the Save button to save the record. The record is now available in the list views. To view or edit the details of this course, press anywhere on the record, or press Select from the three dots and the detail view will open. Press Edit button to edit this record, remembering to press Save to update the record. Note that you can render this record inactive by checking the Inactive box. This is for training courses that are no longer used. This course will no longer appear on your list view, but will be kept as a permanent record in case it's required in the future. It's a bad practice to delete training records, as being able to show proof of training could save you from costly court actions down the track. You can still access inactive training course records from the list view selector. Detail views will also record audit details from when and who created the record, and when and who last updated the record. Now let's learn how to schedule training sessions. There are two places from which you can schedule training sessions for any course you've created. The first place is from the main menu. From the home page, select Training Schedule from the Training menu. You will see the list of the scheduled classes for this training course once created. Press the plus icon to the bottom right to create a new training schedule record. The second place is from the training course detail form. Press the training course record you want to add a schedule for. When the details view opens, go down and press the Schedule tab. This will be where you see the list of scheduled classes for this training course once created. Press the New button. In both cases, the new training schedule form will open. In the new training schedule form, select the training course that the schedule relates to. Note you don't need to do this when creating a new schedule class from within the training course detail view. Enter the date and time the session will begin, and the date and time the session will end. Enter the location where the session will be held. Enter the name of the session presenter. Add the names of the workers who will attend the session. These can all be edited later. You can add workers from the registers model. See the registers help video to learn about registers. Press Save to save the new record, or Save a new to create another one. You can keep records of all workers who attended or received training. Have workers sign to acknowledge that they have received the training and have understood it. And if the workers have received a verification of competency as a result of their training. There are 3 places from where you can record training attendances. The first place is from the main menu. From the home page, select Training Attendance from the Training menu. You'll eventually see a list of all the training attendances for every training course past and future. Press the plus icon to the bottom right to create a new training attendance record. Select the worker who is attending the session. Select the training course. Set the date of the training. Select the method of training. If the method of training is a scheduled class, a field will appear where you must select the scheduled session. Enter any notes relating to this attendee. The second place is from the Training Schedule detail view. Open the Training Schedule list from the Training Schedule button on the Training menu. Press the training schedule record you want to add attendances for. When the detail view opens, go down and press the Edit. You will notice that the form changes to enable editing. Scroll down to the workers assigned to this session field. You will see an arrow with the words Add Item. Press on this arrow and you'll be able to select each worker who will attend this session. Once all the workers are selected, press the Save button to save the record. Add new workers on the Workers module under Registers button on the main menu. The third place is from the Training Courses detail view. From the home page, select Training Courses from the Training menu. Again, this is where you'll see a list of every training course once created. Press the course you want to add attendees to. Scroll down to the Attendance, Acknowledgements and VOC tab. Press the New button. Select the worker who will be doing this course. Select the training date. Select the method of training. If the method of training is a scheduled class, a field will appear where you must select the scheduled session. Enter any notes relating to this attendee. Press Save to save the record. See the Getting Around video for ways to filter, group, search and customize the training module. There is a Help button on every type of form.